How to turn on or off messages notifications on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your messages notifications on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here on For You page, click on those three lines up there and click on Setting. Now all you need to do is click on Notifications and scroll down until you find Messages Notifications, and here you can turn on or off this option. So once I click on Message Notifications, all you need to do now is turn off this option, notifies when you have a new message. If you want a notifications, you can turn on this option easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.